Trader Joe back, part 3. What are we, 15 seconds from the open and starting to squeeze a little bit. So we'll see what she wants to do here on this next candle jumps in. Got obviously some topping wicks there. Yeah. Got market makers pushing it a little bit down there on the first 15 seconds. We got a lot of bottoming wicks obviously on this side, especially this one down here. We got news at 7 a.m. my time, so want to be aware of that as well. Got a lot of volatility here on a Friday. I mean, oh, and there she goes. She's wanting to squeeze up 20 points, 30 points, 40 points. Hit that high.
Stop filled.
Let's see if we can get back in.
Order filled.
Yeah, I let the trailing stop take me out.
Stop filled.
Nice big pullback there. Coming back to the open. Let's buy the open.
Order filled.
Let's push target 1 and 2 back up to the high. There she goes. Yeah, let's see what she wants to do. Coming back.
Stop filled.
I really don't.
Order filled.
Well, could be wrong here, but
Stop
yeah.
filled.
Alright, she pushed down another 10. God, but look at that.
Order
Right
filled.
back to entry. So, well, yeah, she might be dumping here deeper.
Stop filled.
Man, but look at that. Dump.
Order filled.
And yeah, look at this. Look at this thing getting ready to squeeze. So we'll just risk. It's really squeezing fast. Really need to give this thing some room though. It's really pushing fast. I can't even keep my stop far enough back with how fast it's pushing. Well, here it goes, but we'll keep the entry or the stop around break even. Man, yeah, these first 5 minutes, man, this first candle has been really volatile. We might stop at break even.
Stop filled.
So,
Stop filled.
But man, these pushes to
Order
the low
filled.
side I really want to just get in cheap, right? I really just want to get in cheap. Stops at break even. Let's see if, well, it stops at +5.
Stop
Yeah, let's
filled.
take it because she looks like she might want to push like that. Let's buy that though.
Order filled.
I don't know, with how much it's bouncing around, I'm going to let it hit the TPs as well.
Order filled.
Got TP1. Stops at break even. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get a big push, but then that's when you should probably go for it. TP 2 and 3 have got 10 points locked in as well.
Stop filled.
Yeah, a lot of volatility and chop in this area. Yeah.
Order filled.
Shoot, I was going to grab that a little bit lower, but let's see. See if we get the 10 points. Got a lot of bottoming wicks here on the 5-minute. Stuck in this range, obviously. The ranges can be tough. Ranges like to rotate, like I've learned. But here we go. Let's see. Man, what a tough spot to be trying to take positions. I really want to go a little bit lower on the risk. I guess 20 points-ish. Give this thing a little more wiggle room. But if it does get TP1, then yeah, I'm fine with going break even. Wow, it looks like it actually hit my thing and didn't.
Order filled.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh man, yeah, and I really want to give this thing extra room to really squeeze too with how volatile it is. Because if it just starts going off the chain hard, like, you know, this thing's skipping 10, 20, 30 points possibly. It's hard to hold on to these with how volatile it is though. Man, we had that first quick squeeze. I'm really thinking there's a good chance we potentially hit another one. Man,
Stop filled.
look how it, yeah, that trailing stop keeps doing the bounce out move. We got this wick test here. Oops, let's buy it.
Order filled.
I don't know. Let's pull these down. I'm really not wanting to get out unless we start breaking those lows. Yeah, it's looking like the market, with how volatile it is, it's really not wanting to break out until that consumer sentiment number comes at 7, which is one thing that was on my radar. So,
Order
yeah,
filled.
got another take profit locked in there. Trades back at break even. Second take profit. Like I said, if this thing breaks out though, with how, well, I don't know. That puts us at 840, which still 20 minutes till news, man. This has felt like a lot of trading already.
Stop filled.
Even again. Huh, let's see if this thing has more push. Oh no, it's just bouncing right there, man. It's just bouncing. Yeah, well, I'm gonna wait. This thing's been really crazy, actually. Yeah, I really want to hold a trade, but it's like been so crazy to try and hold anything. The market's like really volatile. Like 30 points, 40 points of back and forth. And maybe this bracket I'm using, I don't know. Maybe I just kind of want to wait for this to calm down a little bit. We're at, 77 over break even, so things are, with how much drawdown we put on this account, like things are looking fine. And you see, like if you try to trade the breakout, you're already down 20 points. So there's no reason to chase in this spot. It's probably not gonna look to run until it gets above 500 would be my guess. And potentially also get past the 7 a.m. news. So I don't know. One of my reports says so far today, yeah, like all over the place. Pretty much 50-50. I mean, a little bit more losses than win, but we're not terrible. Yeah, you can see we've hit some slumps today. We've hit a lot of back and forth. But she looks like she might finally be starting to calm down. Got this wick down here. That thing, $447. Really, that one looks like a good buy. So I'm gonna wait and see if we get that. And there
Order
it is.
filled.
Pushing pretty hard. I am gonna open it up on this side. Let it have some wiggle room. And we have a lot of topping wicks at this 470 level, but then we also have the bottoming wicks over here at the 30 level. So yeah, 40 points of volatility. We definitely could come back down to 30s. Yeah, which kind of makes me just want to tighten up the risk actually, or maybe even just stop it out. But yeah, let's pull back up to that low. If that low doesn't hold, then I'm out.
Order
Oh,
filled.
we got one.
Order filled.
Got target 2 even. And got the trailing stop on the runner. We'll see. See if it actually breaks out or if it wants to just keep stopping me out. I mean, it's a 10-point trailer. So, and with how volatile the market's been, my expectations aren't high that I don't get chopped out pretty easily, but it'd be nice if it calms down enough to actually hold this through the news, but we'll see. I basically have no expectation. And with the 10-point trailer, it's like a couple $100 of risk, so it's already locked in 20 points on the trailer, so it's a pretty good trade. Obviously be pretty sick if it holds. This thing really just goes like super squeezy McSquoze, but I'm not really shocked that the market did all that, on the open, because it wants to wear people down. It wants to put people in pain, so guess I'm like 30 points in profit now. Nice looking trade, really nice. yeah, it'd be real sick if, like I said, this thing basically did the squeeze all the way to 7 a.m. Kept me in. 35 points in profit or whatever I am. I don't expect it, but that was a nice 5-minute candle. It basically, I bought it near the low, and it basically went straight up. So yeah, this position, and we just ran 500 with a quick squeeze. Our stop's at 493. We might get stopped out. Yeah, because the big opens tend to have rejections. So, but we went from plus what was it? We went from plus, I guess it says 266 here. Yeah. And then plus 1584. Yeah, I mean, this is good stuff. Obviously, you know, we went through $1,300 in drawdown, but we kind of stuck to our guns. Like I said, it was a little bit challenging there, but you know, you can't let this thing wear you down. Can't let it beat you up. It's just a game. You got to focus on the game. That's the key to trading, guys. You really got to be able to not let what's happening here affect what you're doing over here. So I really do think this thing's got a really big run in it, potential. So, but I got to stop this video. It's getting long again, and maybe if I see something around the news, come back for a part 4.